Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attend a Google Meet. If you want to join in a video calls from Google Meet, then you can simply do it in few simple steps. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go open up a web browser first and in the address bar type you need to Google.com and press enter. Log into your Google Meet account. If necessary, you can now select the meeting from your list scheduled events. Or if you'd like to join into a meeting with meeting code or nickname, simply click on it and enter a code or link, type in your code or your nickname into the text box and click on join. If you'd like to join into a meeting or with the email invitation, then simply go ahead and open up your email. You receive an invitation like this from Google Meet. Click Open Invitation and simply click on this link displayed in your inbox. You can also copy this code right here and type it into the text box and click Join. If you simply click on this link, you'll be taken to a new tab. Now you can go ahead and choose whether you'd like to share your audio video by selecting or video and then click on Ask to Join. Once the meeting organizer approves for you to join in, you'll be able to join a meeting on Google Meet. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.